Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 30th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq Composite, and Nasdaq 100. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. VIX is down a little bit by 2 cents, but this is not telling us the whole story because let's look at this candle here. Yes, we went a little bit lower today here, but in terms of the high, we also went higher. But there's a longer wick at the top here, so there was a little bit more selling pressure, even though this is not a stock, we can still analyze it the same way. This is coming down a little bit. If we take a look at the 1-hour chart here, I think it's worth it to look at the 1-hour chart on the VIX because of what happened today. The first candle was quite up. The second one was super up also and came down a little bit. But then during the first 4 hours, the volatility in the market expressed by the VIX was increasing. So pretty much all of the stocks tanked during the first 4 hours and then recovered a little bit because the VIX calmed down during the last 3 hours. If we go back on the daily chart, we have a stochastic at 82 on the VIX. So really, there's a lot of momentum in the VIX. We are still in this upward channel right here. So this is the support. This is the resistance. And we came up to the resistance yesterday. And now maybe we are going to come back down a little bit down to the support here. If this happens during the next 2, 3, 4 days, so this is going to mean that the stock market could be picking back up a little bit. Let's look at Dow Jones. What happened with Dow Jones today? So Dow Jones continued its descent. So we had lost this support. So this is now a resistance right now. We were in this big upward channel, part of this really big, huge downward channel. So let's not forget about that. Right now, this move up that we had since mid-June was broken. It was broken because we broke the support. So breaking support means that we are not going up anymore. The uptrend is over. This is what it means. When an uptrend is over, it could mean that we are going sideways or we are going down, but we should not be going up. But right now, we seem to be going down still. We have a stochastic at 5 on Dow Jones, extremely low, and MACD is reacting pretty strongly. Look at the distance between the two lines, the green line and the red line. They are going away pretty fast because of the steepness of this move. We don't have RSI and we also lost the MI a couple of days ago. Dow Jones is not looking super good. Let's look at S&P 500. So S&P 500 continued its descent. We are now into this smaller downward channel. And we touched the support right here. We could be going back up a little bit, but until we break this resistance here with a stochastic over 60, if we don't have both of these things, we are still going down. Let me look at Nasdaq Composite, another lower day, but also the same thing here. We have a wick at the bottom here, just like we have on S&P 500. The same thing here. So maybe we are going to come back up a little bit because we have been going down pretty steep. So maybe we are going to come back up. And Nasdaq 100, pretty much the same story here. We are officially back into the downtrend and we don't have an uptrend within the downtrend. So we have a downtrend within a downtrend. So make your decisions accordingly. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.